everyone, I am so excited. I got a delivery this week from Pampered Chef, and last month I hosted a party and was able to get the electric grill and griddle for 60% off. So I'm opening this up tonight so that I can reheat some dinner on it, some hash browns and pancakes, and thought I would share this with everybody as I get it opened up. And I'll probably share some dinner making too. But honestly, the best way to get anything big from Pampered Chef is to just host a party. Then you can get things 50% off, or sometimes even better. Like this month, the special is 60% off, same as last month. And so that's the best way to get these amazing big power tools for your kitchen. So here's what we got. The electric grill and griddle. Not a small box. Oh, there we go. And inside, breakfast, lunch, dinner, anytime. Many options for using this. And it comes with a book, of course, and a temperature probe, and a cleaning scraper. All going to come in handy, I'm sure. And here's one of the plates. And these are dishwasher safe. So after you use them, you can put them in the dishwasher. So that's super cool. Again, one of my favorite things about a lot of Pampered Chef stuff is you can put it in the dishwasher and not ruin it. So let's see if we can get one more layer. All right. We got another one of our plates. So that is what it looks like out of the package. So this is going to go on our grill and griddle. And here it is. Wow. My new power tool for the kitchen. So exciting! Who all has this already? I know a lot of people do and absolutely love it. We are looking forward to making paninis, yummy Cubano sandwich. So, there we go. And I'm going to read a little bit about it and get it set up to make some dinner. So, more coming soon. And there you can see the electric grill and griddle from Pampered Chef. So, I'm going to open it up. Hope you enjoy, and let me know when you want to host your party so you can add to your power tools in your kitchen. Have a great night.